I know. It's very shit. I tengah nak practice satu lagu which is Happier Than Ever. I've been playing ukulele daripada bila entah. Bila dari PKP. Lepas tu macam masa tu kau macam tak ada live, tak ada kawan, tak boleh keluar. So macam I bought ukulele and I belajar pada YouTube. And then like 4 years after, I can play it and I can sing a bit. Tapi selalu bubuk lah tapi macam kau dengar je lah This one is like the tab. I selalu cari kat ukulele tabs. So yeah, let's just do it. It's gonna be shitty, but you know what? At least I started. Lagu ni, I macam pernah belajar dulu tapi macam macam mana macam dah lama. So macam sekarang ni macam dah tak ada hobi sangat. Baru kita macam pergi balik pada hobi yang lama, which is playing this. I belajar sendiri. So kalau you macam baru nak belajar sendiri macam be patient. You will get there, okay? And I'm away from you. I'm happier than ever. Wish I could explain it better. I wish it wasn't true. Give me a day or two to think of something clever, to write myself a letter, to tell me what to do. Do you read my interviews or do you skip my avenue when you said you were passing through? Was I even on your way? I knew when I asked you to be cool about what I was telling you. You do the opposite of what you said you'd do, and I end up more afraid. Don't say it isn't fair. You clearly weren't aware that you made me miserable. So if you really wanna know, I'm away. Okay, dah bosan lah. Okay, this part is nice. You call me again, ringing your bands, driving home under the influence. Scare me to death, but I'm wasting my breath, 'cause you only listen to your fucking. I don't relate to you. I don't relate to you. No. 'Cause I never treat me this shitty. You make me hate this city. And I don't talk shit about you on the internet. Never told anyone anything bad. That shit's embarrassing. You were my everything. That you did was make me fucking sad. So don't waste the time. Out on the head. And don't try to make me feel bad. I could talk about every time that you showed up. I put down I have an empty line, 'cause you never did. Never paid any mind to my mother or friends. I shut them all out for you, 'cause I was a kid. People said you were misunderstood, but all my moments are wrong. Just fucking leave me alone. Yeah, just leave me alone, will you? Bye. People said one day or day one, so today is day one, so that's why it's very shit, but it's like day one. Bye to whoever is watching until the end. I know, it's very shit, but it's okay. Life is shit like that. Bye. Channel tutup.